Hello everyone. If you're getting the Windows cannot be installed to this disk, the selected disk has an MBR partition table. On EFI systems, Windows can only be installed to GPT disks. Error. While installing Windows 11, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it in just a few minutes. If you find this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another useful tech tutorial. Alright, let's jump straight into it. While you're on the Windows setup screen where the error appears, press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard. This will open the command prompt. Once we have CMD, we can execute certain commands to convert the MBR disk to GPT. So here you have to enter into disk partition mode by typing DiskPart, then press enter on your keyboard, then type list disk press. Enter, and it will list all the disk attached on your PC. This command will display all the storage devices connected to your computer, including SSDs, hard drives, USB drives, and memory cards. Now you can see that disk 0 doesn't have any star on the GPT. That means it is an MBR style disk. Any disk which has star on the GPT is a GPT disk. In case if you have more than one disk on your PC and you cannot find the target disk, then just look at the size of disk and then you can differentiate between the target disk and other disk on your PC. If you have only one disk, it will be disk 0. In my case, it is disk 0 as well. Now you have to select the target disk by typing select, then space disk number, which is 0 in this case. You can replace 0 with your own disk number if it's different. After selecting the correct disk, we need to clean it. Cleaning the disk will completely delete everything from the target disk. So before proceeding further, take a backup if you have important data. Now just type clean and press enter on your keyboard and it will delete everything from the disk. Once the cleaning process is complete, type convert, then space G, PT, and press enter. This converts your drive from MBR to GPT, making it compatible with Windows 11 installation. Now you can exit out back in the Windows setup window, click refresh if necessary, select the unallocated space on your drive, and click next. Windows 11 should now install without the MBR partition error. And that's it. Your installation issue should now be resolved. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.